Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. So in this simple video I'm gonna show you how you can turn your photo into basketball player looks using CapCut apps. So you can tap your new project, select your photo that you want to edit, and I'm going to select my project and already have one photo here. So just click on the photo and go to style. Okay, and just swipe to the right until you find basketball. So here's, just click on it to applying the effects. Okay, but I'm going to select more photo. Okay, just wait for applying the effects. So here we go. This is the final effect you have on your photo. So it's basketball looks, and I think this can be used for the woman photo. Yeah, woman photo. I hope the tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.